हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सबसे पहले शुरुआत करेंगे राइम से। तो बचपन में हमने कभी राइमिंग पोएम पढ़ी है ना, जैसे आई हैड अ कैट हु वाज सो फैट ही कुड नॉट इवन सिट ऑन हिज मैट, ही हैड अ हैट दैट डिड नॉट फिट, ही पुट इट ऑन एंड देन इट स्प्लिट। तो गाइस, ये कैट, फैट, मैट, हैट ये राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं। ऐसे ही फिट, स्प्लिट ये भी राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं, जिसमें बेसिकली रिपीटिशन होती है सिमिलर साउंड्स की। और ये हमने बचपन में देखा है कि अगर किसी में ऐसा हो तो ही वो पोएम है, अगर नहीं हो तो हम सोचते हैं कि वो पोएम नहीं है। तो हम बेसिकली कह सकते हैं कि एक राइम एक रिपीटिशन है ऑफ सिमिलर साउंड्स इन 2 or more वर्ड्स एंड इज़ मोस्ट ऑफन यूज्ड इन पोएट्रीज एंड सॉन्ग्स। डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ राइम्स हैं यहाँ पर, जैसे परफेक्ट राइम, मैस्कुलाइन राइम, फेमिनाइन राइम, एंड राइम, आई राइम एंड इंटरनल राइम। तो ये बेसिकली हमारा एक डिटेल्ड डिस्क्रिप्शन हो जाएगा जो हम अगली वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। अभी फ़िलहाल इतना ही। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम कह सकते हैं कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस ऑफ साउंड्स बिटवीन वर्ड्स और एंडिंग ऑफ द वर्ड्स लाइक बलून राइम्स विद मून, ये एक राइमिंग होती है। उसके बाद बात करते हैं रिदम की। तो रिदम इज़ अ म्यूजिकल क्वालिटी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द रिपीटिशन ऑफ स्ट्रेस्ड एंड अनस्ट्रेस्ड सिलेबल्स। स्ट्रेस मीन्स जिन वर्ड्स को हम लाउडर बोलते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अदर वन, एंड अनस्ट्रेस मीन्स जिनको थोड़ा सा लाइटली वे में बोला जाता है। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ रिदम इन राइटिंग इज़ लाइक द बीट इन म्यूज़िक। जैसे कि हम देखते हैं ना, म्यूज़िक में बीट होता है, तो रिदम बस वही कह सकते हो आप लोग। जहाँ पे राइमिंग नहीं करती वहाँ पे हम रिदम इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। Rhythm implies that certain words are produced more forcefully than the others and may be held for longer duration. The repetition of a pattern of such emphasis is what produces the rhythmic effect. Basically, the word rhythm comes from the Greek meaning measured motion. Now, rhythm can be measured in terms of heavily stressed to less stressed syllables. Rhythm is measured in feet unit, usually consisting of one heavily accented syllable and one more lightly accented syllable. So now friends, let's discuss what is meter. So meter is the basic rhythmic structure of a line. Meter consists of 2 components, the number of syllables and the pattern of emphasis on those syllables. What is syllable? That we studied earlier. That is a single unbroken sound of a spoken word. Syllable usually contains a vowel. विदाउट ब्रेकेज, विदाउट एनी शॉर्टेज ऑफ साउंड्स, हम जो एक ही लय में बोलते हैं वर्ड, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड syllable. So meter is a regular pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables that defines the rhythm of some poetry. These stressed patterns are defined in grouping called feet, that is of 2 or 3 syllables. So hence we can say that meter refers to the measured beat established by patterns of stressed and unstressed syllables. Friends, let's discuss this stressed or unstressed syllables with some examples. First one is guitar. Guitar, guitar. So tar is louder than gi. So this is called weak syllable. Gi is called weak syllable and the ta is called strong syllable. Now next one is to sleep. To sleep. So sleep is louder than to. So sleep is called strong syllable and to is called weak syllable. And the last one is thank you. Thank is stronger and you is weaker. So we can say that thank is louder than you. So friends, this is must to know that a line is made up of feet or foot and feet or foot is made up of syllables. Line we already know, and the term syllable that we already studied in the previous video. So the last term that is left is feet or foot. So foot is the measuring unit in poetry, which is made up of stressed and unstressed syllable. So here we can count them in a line. So basically foot is made up of 2 syllables. Here is the table of that. If 1 foot is there, that will be called as monometer. 2 feet is there, that is diameter. 3 trimeter, 4 tetrameter, 5 pentameter, 6 hexameter, 7 heptameter, and the 8th one is octameter. So friends, now types of meter. First one is iambic meter. Iambic meter is a metrical foot of poetry that consists of two syllables. First one is unstressed and the second one is stressed syllable. And where unstressed syllable is followed by a stressed syllable. The word iamb comes from the Greek iambos and Latin iambis, which describe a short syllable followed by a long syllable. An example of iambic meter would be a line like this: the bird has flown away, where the is unstressed syllable and the bird is stressed syllable. Has unstressed, flown stressed, a unstressed, and way is stressed syllable. So this is an example of iambic meter. Now two more example of this iambic meter is here. Guitar. First one is guitar. So tar is louder than gi, and the second one is to sleep, where sleep is louder than to. So these were the example of iambic meter. Consider the following stanza now. With ravished ears the monarch hears, assumes the god affects to nod, and seems to shake the spheres. This stanza above is in iambic diameter, as it has only 2 feet. Means 2 feet means 4 syllables. 4 syllables in each line except the last one, because the last line has 3 feet, and therefore it is called iambic trimeter, where iambic means unstressed and stressed, and trimeter means 3 meters means 6 syllables and 3 feet. And if we talk about the rhyming pattern, so that will be A A B B A. Suppose ears is A, hears, and the last one spheres is also known as A. and god की साउंड हमारी ईयर से नहीं मिल रही तो उसको बी मानेंगे, एंड द नॉड इज ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक अ गॉड, सो गॉड नॉड इज बी. सो द राइमिंग पैटर्न विल बी ए ए बी बी ए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट मीटर इज ट्रॉकी. ट्रॉकी मीटर. The definition of trochee is a type of metrical foot consisting of 2 syllables. The first one is stressed and the second is unstressed. In Greek and Latin poetry, a trochee is a long syllable followed by a short syllable. So now just pronounce it like this: May tho, month of rose beauty, month when pleasure is a duty, month of bees and month of flowers, month of blossom laden boughs. तो दो स्टैंजा जो ऊपर दिया हुआ है इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ट्रॉकी टेट्रामीटर, वेयर टेट्रामीटर इज कंसीडरिंग ऑफ 4 feet, यानी कि 8 syllables. सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे पता चला कि ट्रॉकी में पहले स्ट्रेस्ड और फिर अनस्ट्रेस्ड आता है, तो लेट्स सी 2 more examples of that. फर्स्ट वन इज हाई वे. सो हाई इज लाउडर देन वे. हाई वे, हाई way. And the next one is tell me not in mournful numbers. Tell me. Tell is stressed and me is unstressed. Not is stressed and in is unstressed. Mournful. Mourn is stressed and full is unstressed. Numb, stressed, and buzz is unstressed. So this was example of trochee meter. Now move on to the next one that we called anapestic meter. In this, each foot has 2 unstressed means 2 weak syllables followed by a stressed means 1 strong syllable. It is sometimes referred to as a reverse dactyl also, which we'll study further. So look at this stanza. I am one arc of all I survey. My right there is none to dispute. From the center all around to the sea, I am lord of the bird and the brute. This stanza except the first foot of the second line, my right, is in I am, except this na all are in anapestic meter. My is unstressed and right is stressed. इसके बिना बाकी सब ही आपके एनापेस्टिक में हैं, जैसे कि आई एम मॉन, आई एम 2 वीक, मॉन इज़ 1 स्ट्रॉन्ग, मीन्स 2 अनस्ट्रेस्ड और मॉन इज़ 1 स्ट्रेस्ड. सेम एज द होल पैराग्राफ इज. So here's written also, the above stanza is an example of anapestic trimeter. However, the first foot of the second line is an iamb. The iambic substitution are common in the verses with anapestic meter. Two more examples are there: overcome and underfoot. First one, that will be overcome. We pronounce it like overcome. Two unstressed followed by one stressed. Next one, underfoot. It will be like underfoot. Two unstressed followed by one stressed. So friends, these were the example of anapestic meter. Next we will study in next video. So please, thank you.